Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motive English, and this is my day 5th of 7 day speaking challenge. So now let's start the video. Are you from Hindi medium school? It means you cannot speak in this language. Or are you from English medium school? It means you are fluent in this language. Isn't? Am I right? Many of us think like this, that if we study from the Hindi medium school, it means we are facing some problems to learn this language. Or if we study from the English medium school, it means we can speak better English. And we many of us think like this. So I'm telling you, this is totally myth, you can say, because it doesn't matter you are from Hindi medium school or you are from English medium school. The only thing matters is whether you tried or not to learn this language. The only thing matter is whether you tried or not to learn this language. This is the main thing. No matter you are from Hindi medium school or are you from Hindi medium school or are you from English medium school. It doesn't matter at all. So, one thing you should keep in mind that English and to speak in this language, it demands only your practice, not more than that. If you are doing your practice on regular basis, it means you will be able to speak in this language or you can speak good English if you are doing your practice on daily basis because this language needs or demands only practice, speaking practice. If you are doing this, it means you can speak in this language. If you are not doing this, you are not able to speak in this language. The only thing is that is the thing. Um, I you can say, and I realized this thing. Practice is most important thing. No matter you study from the Hindi medium school or you study from the English medium school. Why I am telling you? Because I am also from the English medium school. I mean, I study from the English medium school, but still I am trying to learn this language, or I am um, doing so many mistakes in this language. Why? Because I did not do enough practice of speaking back then. Now I am doing this practice, but back then I did not do. That's why I'm facing some problems. That's why I'm making some mistakes. So if you're thinking like this, that the only person who study in the English medium school, the only person that only person can speak in this language. So it's totally myth if you are thinking like this. No matter you are from Hindi medium school or you are from the English medium schools, you have to practice to be fluent in this language. If you want to really learn this language, you need to practice. No matter what happens, you should not stop your practice. Okay, if you don't have any kind of partner to speak with, you can practice with yourself. I mean, I'm also practice speaking practice with myself. I don't have any kind of other sources or any kind of other things or person with whom I am practice. No, I don't have anything else. But still, I am learning this language. Still, I am practicing with myself of speaking. So if I can do like this, you can also do like this. So this is only excuses that you are giving yourself to not learn this language. If you are thinking and if you are telling that yes, I am from Hindi medium school, that's why I am facing this problem. But this is excuses. I mean, you are only giving yourself this excuse because you are not ready to do practice to learn this language. You want to be fluent in this language, but you are not ready to do practice. And practice makes a man perfect. If you want to be fluent in this language, you have to practice enough. So, no matter what happens, You should not stop your practice. Okay, no problem if you don't have any kind of other things to do practice. Self talk is something that you don't need to anything else. You can do self talk, and it helps you to become fluent in this language. And I do the same thing. I do self talk with myself, and this is the main thing that I am doing right now.